Hello! Today, I will tell you about my morning routine. Every morning, I wake up at 7 o'clock. When my alarm rings, I turn it off and sit on my bed for a few minutes. I stretch my arms and take a deep breath. It helps me feel more awake. Then, I stand up and go to the bathroom. In the bathroom, I brush my teeth with minty toothpaste. It makes my mouth feel fresh and clean. After that, I wash my face with cold water. The cold water wakes me up completely. Sometimes I take a short shower, especially if I feel very sleepy or if it's a hot day. Next, I go to the kitchen to prepare my breakfast. I like simple breakfasts because they are easy and quick. Most days, I eat toast with butter and jam. Sometimes I make scrambled eggs or eat a piece of fruit, like an apple or a banana. I always drink something with my breakfast. My favorite drink is tea, but sometimes I have coffee with a little milk. While eating, I sit at the table and enjoy the quiet morning. Breakfast is my favorite time of the day because it gives me energy. After breakfast, I clean up. I wash my plate, cup, and any other dishes I used. Then, I dry them and put them back in their place. I also look in my fridge to see if I need to buy anything, like milk or bread. When the kitchen is clean, I go back to my room to get ready for the day. First, I choose my clothes. If it's sunny, I pick a light shirt and jeans. If it's cold or rainy, I wear a sweater and a jacket. After I get dressed, I look in the mirror to check my outfit and fix my hair. Before I leave the house, I pack my bag. I make sure I have my notebook, a pen, my phone, and my water bottle. Sometimes I also pack a snack, like a sandwich or some cookies. At 8 o'clock, I leave my house. I usually take the bus to work. The bus ride takes about 20 minutes. On the bus, I like to look out the window and watch the streets and people. Sometimes I listen to my favorite music or play a small game on my phone. When I arrive at work, I greet my colleagues with a smile. I sit at my desk, open my notebook, and start my tasks for the day. My morning routine is simple, but it helps me feel organized and ready. What about you? What is your morning routine?